With deep convergence of digital intelligence, smart manufacturing is reshaping industrial ecosystems. Industrial automation defines our era, where robotic applications catalyze qualitative industrial evolution. Qingdao Star Rising Technologies Co., Limited. As an enabler of intelligent transformation, we redefine welding automation through full-stack smart solutions. Redefining welding automation. Precision reimagined, efficiency elevated, reliability redefined. Already empowering cross-industry implementations. Self-engineered welding robotic systems. Plus or minus 0.05 millimeters repeat positioning accuracy. Millimeter perfect precision engineered. Precision perfected. Complexity conquered. Visual programming interface redefines human-machine collaboration. Welding workflows configured through intuitive drag and drop. Zero coding required. Instant operational readiness. Seamlessly adapts to diversified production demands. Enhanced with AI-powered seam tracking. Auto-optimized welding path generation. Rapid deployment of multi-process welding solutions. Process capabilities. Linear. Arc. Intermittent. Groove welding. Multi-layer and multi-pass welding. Customizable weld geometries through configurable multi-process solutions. Consistent weld integrity guaranteed. Adaptive welding execution for intricate path position synchronization. A worker can operate 2 to 4 devices. The welding quality remains consistent. The initial investment is lower, the maintenance cost is reduced by 50%. The structure is simplified, and it can be used right away. It can easily handle everything from automotive parts to steel structures, and from standardized to customized welding. Driven by technology and empowered by digitalization. Over the years, it has established strategic cooperative relationships with many large and medium-sized enterprises in China. It is committed to creating a diversified and all-round development strategic pattern facing multiple fields across the country. The company relies on institutions such as Shandong University of Science and Technology and the National University Science and Technology Park. Under the leadership of Professor Sun Lim, the founder, we have made concerted efforts to build an experienced leadership and management team and a professional R&D team. The team currently has more than 130 members, among whom master's and doctoral degree holders account for 40%, and R&D personnel account for 70%. Successively, several subsidiaries have been established in places such as Qingdao, Jinan, Beijing, Suzhou, and Dongguan, achieving the leapfrog development of the company. It has been evaluated as a Gazelle Enterprise, National High-Tech Enterprise, specialized and sophisticated SME with unique innovations. Awarded Big Data Solutions Provider, designated Scale Service Enterprise, secured 2 8-figure funding rounds, certified Class B testing institution, and DualSoft accredited enterprise. Full ISO compliance certification suite, 40+ granted invention patents, including 6 PCT international patents, 70 registered software IP assets. Shandong Provincial Science and Technology Advancement Award, First Prize. Qingdao Municipal S&T Innovation Excellence Award, Top Honor. Certified Qingdao Key Laboratory, Municipal Technology Innovation Hub, Pioneering Municipal R&D Institution. Listed in Qingdao High-Tech IPO Acceleration Program. Navigating the Cosmic Ocean. Engineering Tomorrow's Frontiers. Star Rising collaborates with elite innovators and premium ecosystem partners to dominate intelligent vision application services nationwide.